Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style Cruze special for Chevrolet Cruze 29 to 2014 years. Okay, this is home screen and this special harness and the canvas box. This canvas decoder box and special factory connector also supports the factory backup camera. Okay, this is plug and play. Okay, let me show the head unit. And this makes the screenshot. Let me check the settings. It's built in the PX6 Android 9 system. Okay, and already built in the Wi-Fi. This is our website. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. This is our website. Okay, and let me check the settings. This navigation built in Google Maps, apps, GPS, date and time, language, and DSP amplifier. EQ. And day and night. These settings. Touch tone off. And speed unit you can change. Temp. Brake while already built in the head unit. Okay, this steering wheel settings. Okay, and this navigation built in the Google Maps. This radio. FM and AM music. Play by USB. This DSP amplifier. You can adjust the sound. And console. On start. This settings. Video. Support picture in picture. Okay, and Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. And this Bluetooth, you can enable Bluetooth from your phone. Click search. Okay, you can choose it. and click connection. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. Your contacts listing, you can allow or refuse. Okay, and you can make a phone call. Okay, it works with the Bluetooth phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, and this AC information. When you install the car, it will show the AC information here. Okay, this you can full screen. It's Bluetooth. It's phone link, easy connection. Mirroring screen to the head unit screen. Phone screen to head unit screen. This is Car Auto for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All apps are here. You can download the application from Play Store. It's already built in the YouTube, Google Maps, and the link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is our website, belsee.com. belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you. This is AC information. Okay, thank you.